Thank you for your purchase on Discover 3-in-1. This rider comes with attractive looks, steady body base, storage space. This product is easy to assemble by using these simple parts. You will also need a piler and a screwdriver to assemble. Step 1. Take the main body. Next step, place rear wheel the main body with help of axle pin, both side. Then place rear wheel caps to rear wheels, both side. Step 4. Insert front fork complete to main body. In the next step, place handle to fork with help of lock button. Now, fix handle to fork with help of plastic bolt. Then place seat to main body. Fix seat to main body with help of butterfly nut. Step 8. Insert the flute pipe to main body. Then attach the movement rod from front fork to flute pipe. Now, attach the movement rod from flute pipe to front fork. In the next step, fix parental handle to parental handle pipe with help of butterfly nut. Step 12. Insert the parental handle pipe to flute pipe. Then insert battery to musical head. Now, covered battery box with help of plastic cap and screw. Step 15. Insert the handrest to main body with help of lock button. Then place umbrella pipe to handrest frame. Now, place canopy to backrest. In the last step, place rear basket to main body with help of machine screw and nut. Your beautiful Discover 3-in-1 is now ready to ride.